So today we're taking a little bit of a break from fixing cars, and I'm about to close my camper. We're up here in the White Mountains in New Hampshire, and it's gonna be like a 3 hour ordeal. And gotta blow up the lines and winterize everything, close everything down, and lots of fun. I got a bunch of RV videos. Search the channel that shows you like how to winterize the lines and stuff like that if you don't know how to. I like to blow them out with air. It's kind of overkill. A lot of people blow the lines out with air and then they leave it, but it gets pretty cold up here, so usually I'll blow the lines out and then I'll run antifreeze through the system too. Make sure the water outlet in the back has antifreeze coming out of it. I've got a whole video that shows you how to do all this stuff. And if you guys have any questions about that, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. It's not that hard to do. Some of you guys that have never had an RV before, kind of new to camping, might have some questions. So this is my day today, taking a little bit of a break from auto repairs, and I got to get to it. It's sunny out, and when it's sunny out and not raining, it's the best time to close your camper because it's not wet, you're not up on a slippery roof, and you're not dealing with muddy water lines and all that. So this is my misery for today, guys. Take it easy.